At ReAgent, we have a large deionized water manufacturing facility that can produce up to 10,000 litres of deionized water per hour. As well as that, we also have a specialised 22,000 litre tanker filling vessel that can fill a road tanker in just an hour and a half. This capacity means we can facilitate deliveries of deionized water in large volumes within 24 hours. With almost 50 years as experienced chemical manufacturers and as holders of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and ISO 13485 quality accreditations, you can rest assured that we manufacture our deionized water according to strict quality standards. We make deionized water using a dual-bed resin DI plant. The water is drawn from our 16,000-litre raw water storage tank and passes through a twin-bed deionizer, which uses anionic and cationic resins to remove all minerals and contaminants. To further reduce impurities following deionization, we consistently pass the water through an ultraviolet sterilization lamp and a 0.2 micron filter, which removes very small particles as well as bacteria. From there, we can pack deionized water into any pack size, from 1 litre to 20,000 litre tankers, using our automated packing systems to ensure efficiency and accuracy. We also use deionized water when we blend chemicals, with our water ring main transporting water around the factory to be used in production. If you want to join the global companies that buy deionized and other forms of purified water from ReAgent, contact us today